Okay, welcome to lesson 2. It looks slightly different to what you're used to what you left it at the end of lesson 1. You can see that I have now split up. I've now split up my scripts because all yours are joined together like that. And so what we're going to do is we're going to split them up into who says what when. If you're not sure, then you can look at the Word document that is in your folder, or in my folder, the shared folder. Open it up, and before somebody says something, it gives the person who's talking. Now, over here, if you just look at this, you can see that the whole way that things look has changed. And the reason I've done this is because this gets very long here. Okay, so it goes all the way over here. And to give us a little bit more space on the screen, I've shrunk the stage down slightly, which is also kind of good practice for later on. This one here is when we go into presentation mode. If you don't know about that, you can have a look at that yourself. So I'm going to keep it like this. You will also notice that my cat has disappeared, and that is because we are in the second tab here. We're in the costumes tab. So if I click on the costumes tab, you can see that I have gone and put in all my different characters: narrator, the man telling the joke, bad guy. There, he looks quite mean. Prisoner number 1, number 2, prisoner number 3 looks very tired, prisoner number 4. Good. And the reason we've done it like this is so that we can skip using the looks tool and we can go switch to next costume. So it means that we can go from one to the other and back again very, very easily. So it means we can, when we click on this drop-down menu, we can choose who we want and drag in the script to wherever we want to go. Okay. So obviously, the first person is going to be the narrator. Now then, your task now in this particular part is to go and split up all the blocks in here. Go and import a costume. So just click on import. You can choose whatever you want. You can choose people if you wish. You can choose whatever you like. Animals. I chose animals because it can be a little bit funnier when you see the animation at the end. And you can see that's gone in. I didn't mean to do that, but it's gone in there, so I might call that prisoner 5. That's, for example, prisoner 5. Okay, oops, daisy, don't want to be prisoner 1. No, call it prisoner. Okay, that'll do. Okay, and if you don't want it, I can delete it. Go and import your characters. Go and split your scripts up so we know who's saying what. And lastly, in the third tab over here, sounds, you can see I've put in the Cake or Death MP3 that is in your shared folder as well. Same again, import, go to wherever it is. It might be on one of the network drives, the N drive, the Z drive, wherever it is in school that I've pointed it out to you. Go and find it, double click it, and it'll be popped in here. Okay? Good. That is it. I'm just going to take that out again because we don't want Cake or Death 1. That is it for this particular part. Go and do that, split up your script, add your costumes. You can see all these are split now. Go and add your costumes, import them all, and your sound as well. Import a sound. So we're doing the same thing here and here, and splitting up your script. Fantastic. Thank you very much.